In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for Sublimation, a beginner's guide. This is perfect for those who are venturing into the world of creative design and want to bring their ideas to life on a t-shirt. So, let's dive right in and get started with some basic but essential steps. First things first, you'll need to head over to Canva's homepage and log into your account. If you've never used Canva before, setting up an account is simple and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by Canva's dashboard. In the middle of this dashboard, you'll see a section dedicated to templates, which is exactly where we need to focus our attention to get started on our t-shirt design. Now, let's get a bit more specific. In the template section, we want to search for t-shirt templates. Canva offers a variety of pre-designed templates, many of which are free to use, that cater to different styles and moods. Once you find a design that you like, go ahead and select it. Momentarily, a pop-up window will appear, which will give you the option to customize this template. Click on that, and you'll be led to the design area where your creativity can truly start flowing. With your design ready, move to the top right corner of the page, where you'll find the Share button. Clicking on it will reveal a download icon, which we'll need for the next steps. When it comes to file types, I recommend choosing either JPG or PNG, as these are optimal for merging as a single image, which is essential for sublimation projects. After selecting your file type, click on Download, and your design will be saved to your computer. Now, we'll need to head back to the design area. Let's scroll down to the bottom of the page and add another page. This step sets us up perfectly for the next stages of our project. In the left side menu, you'll see the Uploads section. Click on it to upload the file you just downloaded. Once uploaded, drag and drop the image onto your canvas. It's important to get this step right, as it sets the groundwork for the final design manipulation. To prepare your design for sublimation printing, navigate over the floating tools and click on Flip. More specifically, select Flip Horizontal. This little trick mirrors your design so that it prints correctly onto the t-shirt. Next, feel free to adjust the size and reposition the image if needed, to make sure it fits just right on your new canvas setup. Once you're satisfied, return to the upper right-hand corner and click Share again. Follow it up by clicking the download icon, and finally, the download button. And there you have it, folks. Your design is now ready to be used in your sublimation project, ready to bring your creative ideas to life in fabric form. Happy designing, and see you next time.